Hello everybody, and I'm coming today from this beautiful, beautiful, special place and wanted to share some of this magic with you, some of these magical sounds and this magical energy here. And we're in a special place in New Zealand in the bush, and I wanted to invite you to spend a moment and feel the sound of this place. And so I'm sure that you can feel that there is so much aliveness here and nature spirits, and it's so powerful, and we're part of that. We're part of that nature. We all have a lot of connection and nature and the force of nature in us. And I invite you to feel that in yourself as you're hearing those sounds and as you're connecting in with me here, to feel that you have nature in your body, in your bones, that you have nature in your cells, that you are the forests, you are the water, you are all of these sounds. And if you listen really deep inside yourself, you'll be able to hear it in yourself. And this is a big welcome for you to give yourself a moment now to feel that place in yourself where you know that you are nature.